What's going on, guys? Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Trail Boss lifted, you should take a look at what we did to this one to lift it up and put some new wheels and tires on it. To get started, the lift kit is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to help raise up the truck a little bit more and fit this bigger wheel and tire package under it. And it's also going to add the front and raise it up just a little bit more. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, and that's going to be a step down from the mud terrain tire. So it's still going to give you the nice aggressive look of the mud terrain with the aggressive sidewalls and the thicker tread and more aggressive tread, which is going to give you some of those off-road capabilities, but it's also going to give you a nice performance on the road with a quieter ride and a longer tread life. So down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Sledge, and this one's going to be at that -44 offset. So with this one being that deep dish look, you're going to have about 4.5 inch lip, which is also going to in turn push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. The finish on this one is going to be the black with the matte black with the gloss black lip, which is going to be a pretty unique look, and I think this one really does work well for pretty much any of the vehicles you put this on. I really do like that gloss lip with the matte face. This one's also going to feature the split spoke design, and it's going to have a little bit more aggressive looking spokes that kind of just make it a little more rugged. And then it's also going to have a lot of different rivets on the outside, which again gives it that more aggressive look. This one does come in this matte black with a gloss black lip, the gloss black and milled as well. And then you're going to have plenty of different sizes to choose from if you choose to go with something a little bit different than this 22x12. So overall, this is a really good looking wheel and tire package for this truck, especially matching some of the black features of this Trail Boss. So if you guys want to get this done to your Trail Boss, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs, but make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you go ahead, get your truck lifted now and pay later.